everybody, welcome to my channel. It is time for another chit chat video at Walgreens for Sunday, May 13th through Saturday, May 19th. Now I think it's actually going to be a pretty good deal with the deals that I did find, but as you guys see right here, they have the 10 times everyday points. Now usually I've never seen, since I've been shopping at Walgreens, I've never seen the 10 times everyday points thing. But this, it's 10 times everyday points on $20 or more. So usually it's 5 times on every 10 bucks, but it looks like you guys will get 100 points for every dollar. Now sometimes you don't get all those points if you guys pay with points. I'm just giving you guys a heads up on that, but this is a great week for some deals to get points. So I'm here to share with you guys some deals that I found. I usually find these ads on Wednesdays on the Walgreens website. I do like finding it on the actual website because I know there's other sites out there that do give copies, but they're not like their actual, like the ads are just like copies. So definitely do that. You can also clip it to your card. So there's times where I forget to have the cashier scan my card. I just clip that just in case to be on the safe side. So you guys definitely want to do that. But right here they have the Tide Simply laundry care. Now it looks like there's going to be an online coupon for $2 off. So it's going to be $2.99 plus there's going to be a $2 off coupon, making it 99 cents. I've never seen it 99 cents before. I've never bought one of those before. So I'm going to definitely try to get it or try it and see how it works. Right here they got M&M's. Buy one, get one free. Now right now I saw in Ibotta App, if you guys buy the caramel flavor, of that size, you guys will end up getting it for 25 cents back. So if you buy one, get one free, you guys will end up getting 50 cents. Well, you also have those bigger bags where you can buy a bigger bag and get a smaller one free. So I'm assuming what you guys could end up doing is if you guys have that coupon, you could buy a bigger bag and you end up getting 2 of these absolutely free, and you can submit all 3 items on Ibotta. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up on that, so make sure you guys can get some M&M coupons. Now they were out from like a month ago, so and I can't remember when they expired, but I just wanted to share with you guys on that. I didn't look at the expiration date on that. Here they got some food. I'm not sure if they still have the Well Yes coupon, but if you guys want to get some more soup right now, it's kind of out of the season for soup. It's time to start grilling and being outside and all that jazz. So there's just some deals for you guys with that. Here we got some candy. Now here it's for Kellogg's, Cheez-Its, Nabisco, and Austin brand for $1.49. Now I won't know this until tomorrow, but if checkout 51 resets itself, there are some deals where you guys can get like $1 back. I know with the Fig Newtons, you guys can get $1 back, and there might be some other deals. So definitely try that out. I'm gonna, if it does reset in the checkout 51 app, I'm definitely gonna do that deal to share with you guys on that. But I know we are getting a like s'mores coupon, but it's not really the greatest at Walgreens. I'd say use that coupon somewhere else. Here is this page. Now right here they got the Dawn dish soap and the puffs. Now this is a great deal to do. So they're 99 cents. You guys want to buy 2 puffs and 2 Dawns. You guys also want to use the 25% off coupons that are in the P&G that we just got for May. So you guys use 2 and 2. You guys will end up paying $2.96 for all 4 items. But then you guys will get 1,000 points for buying 4. And this is a deal where you guys can pay with points and you'll get those points back. So you end up getting all 4 items for $1.96 or just 49 cents a piece. I think that's a great stock up deal. I mean, usually I don't see dish soap and tissues really cheap very often. So I think that's a great stock up deal. Here we got Dixie's plates. They're going to be on sale for buy one, get one free. We always get a dollar off a 2 coupon. So usually you can get a pretty good deal with the paper plates. And then sometimes I usually see a deal on Saving Star. So it's a win-win situation for all those. So definitely stay tuned to check for those coupons. I'm sorry, it's just like really hot in my house. I've been working all day out in the garage, so I'm just kind of out of breath. If you guys like extra laundry, those are $1.49 on sale. We got the Purex for $5.99. Not really much going on this part, you guys. There's like just hardly nothing going on. Here we are at the personal care items. Now here we got some Crest $3.99, but I think the coupons expire this Saturday, so we won't be able to do that, but there might be some digital coupons to use or something. But if you guys buy all 3 items, you end up getting a $6 register reward. Now here's a great deal right here. The toothpaste. 2 for $6, okay? We have those $2 off coupons, which I think will work for those. I'm not 100% positive, but I think those will work for those. So you guys want to use those $2 off coupons. You guys would end up paying $2 for two tubes of toothpaste, but then you get 4,000 points. So it ends up becoming a $2 moneymaker. So I'm pretty excited about that. I'm hoping those coupons work for that. Otherwise, we do have those 50-cent off coupons. And if we do have those 50-cent off coupons, the toothpaste ends up becoming like 50 cents a piece. So it's up to you guys what you want to do. But I'm hoping those coupons work. Or I'm hoping that those are the deals. So we'll just have to see what's going on. Here they got, if you spend $10 or more on Listerine, you get a 5,000 points. So that's a deal where you guys you cannot pay with points to do that deal. So you basically want to use your dollar off coupons if there is any, and then you guys would pay so much, but then do not pay with points on that. Here they got the Tresemme 3 for $15. It looks like we'll be getting a 5 off of 3 coupon. Plus, if you guys buy 3, you get 3,000 points. That comes out to be $7 for 3 of them. I'm not saying that is not a great deal, but if you guys really like it, I haven't gotten Tresemme in forever, so I wanted to share with you guys that. They got this deal right here with diapers, 2 for $18, plus there'll be online coupons, and then it says if you spend $25, you'll get a $5 register reward. So I don't know what's the greatest deal, but it is pull-ups, good nights, Huggies, diapers. So just wanted to share with you guys with that. They got Jergens right here for buy one get one 50% off there. I think we just received coupons for that the other day. I can't remember. But then if you buy 2, you get a $1, 1,000 points register, or not a register reward, but 1,000 points. Here the St. Ives. I know we're getting coupons for that. Buy one get one 50% off. We're using those coupons. If you guys buy 2, you get 1,000 points. Now here's the deal I did a while back ago. Now I want to do more deals like that, but some of you guys got it really confusing. I'm going to go a little bit closer. Some of you guys thought it was really confusing. I did say Sunday, May 13th, but some of you guys went to your store asking to get it for that price, but your store didn't allow it. Yeah, you got to pay attention. Sometimes I try to do really hot deals way in advance. But these are going to be $3.99. We just received dollar off coupons in this last Sunday's paper for the Irish Springs and 75-cent off coupons for the soft soap. So what you guys want to do for the Irish Springs is use 2 $1 off coupons. You guys would pay $5.98 for 2 of them, but then you get 5,000 points. So you guys will end up getting 2 of them for 98 cents or 49 cents a piece. Plus that also goes towards the the 10 times thing, so these could be a really good deal. The soft soap, you guys want to use 2 75-cent off coupons. You guys would end up paying $6.48 for 2 of those, but then you get both of them for $1.48 or 74 cents. So I'm definitely going to go Irish Spring and soft soap crazy because I can. Right here, this is what I saw. It's Revlon Super Lustrous Lip Cosmetics lipstick or whatever. It's $7.99. You guys would pay $7.99, but then it looks like you'll get a $6 register reward. So that lipstick actually becomes $1.99, which I think for Revlon lipstick for $1.99, I think that's a great price. If you guys want to do that deal multiple times, you can. Just do not use that register reward that you received it from the previous transaction. So do not roll the register reward, Catalina. Just letting you guys know on that. But that is a deal where you guys can pay with points and you will get the register reward. Here we have a buy one get one free or buy one get one 50% off for CoverGirl. There is a $3 off of 2 coupon. Plus we just received some other coupons, so that could be a good deal. The next deal I see right here is 20% off all fragrances. So I was at the store the other day and I saw that they had Nautica. I saw that they had a couple other ones. So there's a deal right now in Ibotta that you guys can do. Plus we have those $4 off coupons. So I don't know exactly what it's all going to be. And then I don't know if Checkout 51 will reset. But that could be a good deal that we can get with some of those body sprays. I'm hoping, keeping my fingers crossed with that. Now we're in the mixture of stuff, but here they got Stay Free and Playtex. They're going to be buy one get one 50% off there's going to be a $3 off a 2 online coupon. Plus, if you guys buy 2, you get 3,000 points. I'm not sure what the price is on that, but that could be an okay deal if you guys really need feminine products. Here, this is where you get 5,000 points if you spend $20 or more. I would not do that deal because those coupons, you can only use 2 of those coupons per transaction. They recently changed the limit on that, so I wouldn't do that deal. But unless you guys really want to, you'll end up having to buy like 4 of these or 3 of these and 1 of these, and yeah, it's just not worth it. But if you guys really need razors, I guess you could do that. Yes, more medicine. I didn't see any good deals with that. Sorry I keep yawning, you guys. It's 10:30 at night and I've been up since 5 this morning, so yeah. And then we're just gonna keep on trucking, and then finally we're on the last page for you guys. I gotta turn it for you. So here they got, now this is a deal I did the other day. Now this is an all month deal, but if you guys buy like Band-Aids, Neosporin, Epsom salt, rubbing alcohol, a bunch of other stuff, they're buy one get one 50% off, and then if you buy 2 you get 3,000 points. So some of those are a moneymaker. I wanted to get a couple other things, but I just wanted to share with you guys on that. Here they got Tide Pods, $4.99, and then there's going to be a $2 off coupon, making it $2.99. So if you guys really need some Tide Pods, go for it. But otherwise, really nothing else that really sticks out. So I wanted to share with you guys on that. But this is the Walgreens ad preview for the week of the 13th that starts. So if you guys have any good deals that I missed, please let me know. But I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.